Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today we're going to talk about this backsplash, what was done, what the client invested, and how much time it took to actually do the project at a real world job site. Here we go. Let's get started. Welcome back, guys. So this backsplash, as you can see here, this is what they had before. It was actually a tumble travertine stone. They were redoing the countertop, so I needed to come in, remove the tile that was there, and it was on there really good. So I opted just to rip everything down to the wall studs and then installing a new wall board. I put some plastic up to minimize the dust going around the whole house, drop cloths, the whole shebang. This is what it looks like when it's said and done. I was able to rip it all out and put up new board and seal it up all within one day. Now it was a solid day, 8-9 hour day, but I got it done. So that was the first thing I did. Then the client had to call to get the countertop, which was like a month later. They called, got a template, then had it installed. Then I came back, and here's me installing the tile, which was a 3x8 ceramic tile, kind of like a handmade look to it. So they weren't straight at all, really. They're really wavy. So this was just the process of me installing them here, one by one on the wall there, then using your spaces in between and check everything that it's coming out good as you're going along, and so on. So anyway, I'm going to get into the next parts here. So this project was done towards the late spring, early summer of 2024. It was done in about 4 days. Once again, the prep work to remove it all and reinstall it was about a day, and then I came back, set all the tile and grouted it, and I did that in about a 3-day time frame, about 24 hours or so. I got roughly into the project. Now I did have to come back to do silicone, so you add total was about 24 hours, but I had about 4 times on site besides doing the prep work, so about 5 different times actually on site for the job, but about 24 hours for the tile setting and grouting, about 8 or 9 for the demo. The prep was right around $800-900. The client paid me to do the project and to do all the rest, to set the tile, grout it all, silicone, all that kind of stuff. They pay me a total of $2,515 for that part. I supplied the tile adhesive, the silicone, and the counter protection material. The client supplied the tile and some caulking for all that kind of stuff. I also supplied this, the plastic for the zip walls, the backer board, but that's all in the $800-900 price range for that part, for the demo and the prep. And then the tile install was separate, which was about $2,515 investment for that. So I hope this helped you, give you an idea of what a project like this may cost for the subway style installation. To see the full story, visit my blog at Tile&Remodeling and look up subway style backsplash. That kind of goes over the story of this client, what they did, how they found me, how the project went, and so on. Just a little bit more details on that, but a little bit of some photos and whatnot. So hope that helps you. And my name is Donnie. Company name is Donnie D's Tile&Remodeling out of Spotswood, New Jersey. And I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.